Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are in my living room today and I didn't want to sit down in my makeup room and stuff like that. It was very boring. So I was like, let's sit here. We've got really good light coming in and thought we would do a what's in my bag video. Personally, I love watching these. They're just, I don't know, I like snooping around and I love seeing what's in people's bags, you know, what are their essentials, even makeup bag, like, I don't know, I just, you know, there was a time where I would carry so much and I'm like, I want to know what people carry, like, So I thought, you know, if I'm that curious, then I should probably film one of my own as well. So I don't carry anything fancy at the minute. For daily, I just like carrying something that's comfortable, easy to lug around, and also something that is lightweight because I tend to put anything and everything in my bag, honestly. So I bought this when I was working, but I like it so much and it's so comfortable for me that I still carry it. And it's this bag from Colette. I downsized on my bag because I just keep filling it up with God knows what crap, and I just tend to put everything in there and then I hardly ever clean it up. So I was like thinking, if it's a small bag, then I probably wouldn't fill it as much because then it'll reach its capacity. So that's just what I have, and it's filled in a minute, so this will be a good time to even clean it up as we go. All right, so the first thing that comes out is my wallet, and this one is from Esprit. I got this from the DFO. It's just like your basic wallet and stuff. Now this one doesn't have all my cards simply because when I'm just driving around to quickly pick something up, I'll normally carry something else, and I'll show you that in a second. But this is like my full wallet that I carry in my bag. The next thing that's coming out is my Mario Badescu Facial Rose Water Setting Spray. This is in the MAC Fix Plus bottle because I don't like the bottle that comes with it. But anyway, so I normally carry that, and it's just easy to like refresh your face. And it's just, I like the locking system on this bottle as well. So this is really easy and efficient to carry. I have my phone, which is very simple. I've got my camera. Now I wish this was in a cover, but I just threw it in because I thought I would film it some other time, but I didn't. And it's the Nikon, I don't even know which model this is. This is Nikon Coolpix S80. This is just an easy to carry around. It's very lightweight, very small. It's 14.1 megapixel. I normally just use this for like taking product photos, but we're planning on investing in a bigger and better camera. So it doesn't have any zoom or anything like that. So it's just very basic, very minimalistic to carry around. Next, I have my sunglasses. Now they're just thrown in. This is who I am, literally. They're just thrown in. These are from, I think I got them from Tempt. They were just very cooling is what I would say, and very pink. Next, I have my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Natural. So this is my purse powder, because at home you guys know that I use either the Rimmel Stay Matte or the Australia's Fresh and Flawless powder, which I need to pick another one up. Carry like a box or like a sachet of tissues. I've got a hand cream here. This is the Crabtree and Evelyn London Rose Water and Pink Peppercorn Hydrating Hand Therapy. My friend gifted these to me. It came in a set and they were so beautiful. She gifted me two. So one was like the hand lotion and the hand wash that came in like a that came with a stand. And then she gifted me like a box of all the travel size hand lotions, and this one smells beautiful. It's very hydrating, and the softness like stays for a long time. I love this one. I appreciate it so much, and I thank her every time I use it because it's winter and my hands are tending to get really dry. So in a side pocket, you know the two pockets that you get there, so that was one of them that came out, and then I have like a whole bunch of these products. I carry my Carmex. I love this. This is the only lip balm that kind of works overnight on me. I swear by this thing, and I've got so many people hooked on it. It is one of the best lip balms out there. I absolutely love it. It's amazing. If you don't have it, you need to go get it. It is that good. It's better than the Popple one, and my husband was using the Popple one when I first met him, but now he uses this. We have like, he carries one, no, he has one at his work, and then he has one by his bedside table. My husband has it by his bedside table, and I have one everywhere I go everywhere I go, so it's that good. So I've got two products that came out of that pocket, and one of them is the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquefied Long Wear Lipstick, and this is in the color Sellout. It's one of the most perfect nude colors, pinky nude colors for me, and it's very matte, so I love that one. This is one of the first colors that I bought. I don't like the smell that it comes with. It smells very chemically, which Too Faced products, you know, they've got a really good scent, especially the peach collection, so it's alright. I love the color, so I don't mind it. The other one that I have is the Models Prefer Matte Moisture Lost Lip Tint, and this is in the shade Caramelized Dessert. I love this one. This one is more of like a nourishing, even though it's matte, it's very nourishing, and I feel like applying this is like applying sort of like a mild lip balm. So this one's always like floating around in my bag because it's something that I reach for. Even when I don't have anything on, I will just throw this on and I'll feel really good. It gives me a little bit of color, it gives me a little bit of like put togetherness, and it's effortless to apply. So this one is quickly, like I bought it and just quickly became one of my go-tos. The other one that was in that pocket was my Vicks inhaler. It is winter, and I do get allergies as well, regardless of the season and stuff. So this is just something handy to carry, and it's always by my bedside table, in my purse, and somewhere in my car, like just floating around. They're just everywhere. In one of the other pockets, I've got like an emery board or a nail file. So that's always there because you never know. I've got some prescriptions here. We're traveling soon, so we need to get some vaccinations and stuff. So I've got those two prescriptions here. Like I said, anything and everything goes in my bag. I've got the prescription for myself and my husband. I've got receipts. Oh, these are the fuel coupons. I've got a whole bunch of receipts. I've got 2 fuel coupons here. So I've got 2 of these things out. Now, this is my coin purse. I love this one. It doubles as like your card case as well, so that's why I carry this. But it's just got all of my coins in there, and it's got I shop at Aldi, so it's got my Aldi coin in there. But I hate bulking this one up, but then this one's just easy. Plus I can throw in a couple of my cards here and have this to go, and it's perfect. So I've had this for so many years. It's by Coach, and Coach is one of my favorite brands. But it looks just as good. It's got all the glitter and everything still on it intact, and I love this one. So the other one that came out was the Still case. This is a business card holder, and lately I've been just carrying this around, especially if I want to just quickly go and pick up my husband from the station or something. It's just got my business cards here, and then I've got 3 of my regular cards just at the back here. So it's got my license, my Medicare, one of my credit cards in this case, just so that I can just really put this in my jacket pocket and be at the door. Just need keys to go with that. And then I've got my Opal card here. So something you need if you're in Sydney and if you're traveling by public transport. I've got chewing gums. I've got chewies or gum or however you call it. I've got an extra that my husband uses, and I've got the Eclipse that I love. So I've got those 2. I've got a case of Mentos in here. I love mints. I'm not much of a chewy person, but I love mints. But this one actually has, it's got cloves and cardamom in it, because these are your natural mouth fresheners, and so I usually keep them in here just easy to throw in your mouth when you don't feel like having something minty but you still want to freshen up your mouth. I love cardamom. Cloves are really good for when you have a toothache or something like that, or you just want something, if you're feeling nauseous as well, cloves are really good for that. Cardamom is just a really nice mouth freshener and I love having them. So I've got more cloves and less cardamoms because I need to refill. I've got my hand sanitizer and I've got another chapstick in here. So this one's the tinted one, so that's why it's in there. Because you never know, if you can't find the other one, at least you got that one. Then I've got my Essence Ultra Strong Nail Hardener. I keep this in there because you never know when your nails break and stuff. And then I've got a brush here that comes with a mirror, so something like that. I love this one. It's just really easy, very convenient. Plus it comes with a mirror, so I can dig my hand in. It's like usually at the very bottom of the bag. Dig my hand in and I'm pretty sure to pick this one up without looking inside my bag. But I think that's about it. That's in the bag. Then the last thing left is my makeup bag. Now I literally downsized heaps on this one because I had a bigger bag and I had a bigger bag and a bigger makeup bag in there, and I would literally throw in like a full face of makeup in there and I never used it. Ever. So I thought I would just really downsize to products that I know I'm going to use. It's usually just this little pouch that I carry and it's mostly just lip products. I think it's mostly just lip products, so let's take a look. Okay, so I've got a lip gloss. This is by NYX. It's their Mega Shine lip gloss in the color beige. It's pink, but it's called beige. Then I've got my Stila All Day Liquid Lipstick, the mini version in the color Patina. You'll see a pattern. Okay, my memory card got full. But okay, so I've got the Essence Matte 03. I don't think it has a color. Oh yeah, it does. But it literally says matte lipstick, like 3 times matte. But the color is Wow Effect. Wow. Ooh, I've got my Maybelline Age Rewind Double Face Perfector. So a highlighter and a concealer at the other end. This one's really old, but it comes in handy just for touch-ups on the go, just in case I need it. Ooh, another Vicks inhaler. I've got the ColourPop lipstick in Stud, one of my really recent favorites. It's very dark, but very nice lipstick. I've got Rimmel Lasting Finish lipstick in Asia. Love this one. It's very moisturizing, so I got it at the time when my lips were just becoming really dry. I've got this one. This is like this is very luxurious. This is the Urban Decay Vice lipstick in the shade Alpha. This is Mega Matte formula. It's very bright, very opaque, beautiful color, very like in your face color. So that pairs beautifully with like a nude or a natural brown smoky eye sort of situation. This is one of my all-time and I think my ultimate favorite lipstick. This is the MAC matte lipstick in taupe. I just love this color. It's just so natural looking. I cannot get over this color. So this one is always in my bag, and I'm actually going to buy a backup of it before. I don't think it'll get discontinued, but I hope not. Anyways, I've got my iron tablets just in case I forget one day. I've got Sarah Jessica Parker lovely perfume. This is just the roll-on. I've got a couple of hair ties because I always have I have some in my car, I have some in my bag, I have some in my makeup bag. So just, I think the one in my bag is finished. That means I need to replace them. But yeah, just in case. Then I've got a pair of tweezers. Is there anything else? And yep, I've got a safety pin because you never know when you need it. And I've got a couple of coins just as backup. But that's all there is in my bag, you guys. As you can tell in my makeup bag, I only carry lipsticks because I'm obsessed. Normally I don't tend to need a lot of touch-ups. I have a little bit of an oily T-zone, so I just need to pat that down, put some powder on it, and it's just the lipsticks that I need touch-ups throughout the day, because after you eat and stuff like that. But most of the times my makeup is pretty set, and I don't normally, what do I say, like, before I used to carry makeup thinking that if I go somewhere I probably would need it, just, you know, on the go, just full face and stuff, but I don't tend to do that anymore. I'm pretty comfortable with my skin now. I'm not that, I mean, I love looking put together, don't get me wrong, but sometimes I feel like I can just achieve that look with lipstick. I think the right shade and the right tone of the lipstick, I think you can really pull it off. I do used to carry an eyebrow product just because, you know, you probably like having eyebrows on kind of makes you look even a little bit more put together than normal, so I'll probably throw that in. But these are just the products that I use on a normal basis, and they work for me. So that's it, you guys. That's what's in my bag. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and thank you so much for tuning. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will catch you guys very soon. Bye!